Hey guys, this is me Ankita. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you people are doing great. So guys, today I'm going to talk about my makeup removing routine. But actually guys, this makeup routine can be used as your day routine or your night routine because they have all the things that you would need for any skincare routine. So let's get started with this. So guys, we'll be using the coconut range from Wow for this. So this is the whole coconut range which I have here for me. We have a face wash, a micellar water, a toner and a moisturizer. Here are all the products from the coconut range of Wow Skin Science, and I'm going to be talking about each one of these in detail. So let's get started. So guys, the first question is very obvious and definitely like, wow, why Skin Science? So the answer to this is very easy, and I think you people already know about it, but still I'm gonna repeat it. Wow Skin Science is one brand which is like 100% herbal organic brand. I love the fact that they don't use any artificial fragrances, they don't use any mineral oil, they don't use parabens, sulfates, phthalates, nothing is there. All the products that you get from Wow Skin Science is naturally derived, they have natural ingredients, and that's the reason I love Wow Skin Science. Also, one more reason why I love Wow Skin Science is because of the QR code that they give. I'm just gonna show you. So I have a QR code in each of my product. Like if you see, there is a QR code here, there is a QR code here, and there is a QR code here, and I have already scanned these QR code. So if you can see, there is QR code in every pack. If you don't get it on the product packaging, then you might get it on the outer packaging, like जो box आपको मिलता है उसमें आपको मिल सकता है. Otherwise you will get it on the product itself. Make sure that you check the QR code because Wow Skin Science always have a QR code on their product. You can scan it, see the authenticity, because guys, there is a lot of e-commerce site this time and there are so many frauds going on. You get so many duplicate products, and I don't want that any product should harm my skin by using a fake product. So I am very concerned about this fact that I need to have an authentic product, and that's what Wow Skin Science had made easy for me. So yeah, this was the second reason that I love Wow Skin Science. And also I buy a lot of my Wow Skin Science products from the app itself because the app is super duper easy and you get all the products. If something is out of stock, you know, if something is really like a new launch, you know. So that's the reason I love the Wow app that you have. So normally my shopping of Wow Skin Science is done from the app because they have exciting offers: buy two pay for one, buy three pay for two, and you have the amazing giveaway which is by the name Wow Pro. So yeah, that's the reason. And they have special Sunday offers also in which you get like 67% off. Can you like really believe it? So that's the reason I love Wow Skin Science as a brand. So guys, in short, Wow Skin Science is one brand which actually fulfills all my wishes because first they have amazing offers. Second, they give discount up to I don't know how many percentage, like 60-70% they give discount on. Then they give me QR code to check the authenticity. Then they have a product which is free from any chemicals like silicon, sulfates, phosphates, everything. They are just free from chemicals, and I love to put natural things on my face and my hair. So yeah, this is the thing that I love Wow Skin Science for. And now we are going to directly jump into the products. Also this time I'm going to show you the demo and also tell you about the product itself. So like we are going to be start removing our makeup, and at the same time I'm going to tell you about the product itself. So let's get started. Okay guys, so we are going to start by removing our makeup, and I'm also going to tell you all the details about all the products that I'm going to be using. So the first product that I'm going to be using is this. This is the Wow Skin Science Coconut Clarifying Micellar Water for complete cleansing and makeup removal. This is infused with coconut water, cucumber water, green tea, witch hazel. It is dermatologically tested, and also it does not have any parabens, silicons and mineral oil. You get a net amount of 200 ml, and this is for rupees 349 I think, which is very affordable. And there are amazing offers on the app also, so do check out the app. So guys, basically what this product does is it removes every bit of your makeup from your skin, and it's very simple to use. So guys, this micellar water is infused with coconut water, witch witch hazelnut, green tea and cucumber water. Now we know that cucumber water is great for soothing out your skin. Witch hazelnut is important to removing all the dust, because when you do wear a makeup, or not generally a makeup, if you normally go out and you come back, there is this particles of pollutants here and there. So witch hazelnut is very important to extract these particles from your skin, and you know, these particles get collected in your pores, which can actually harm your pores, and then eventually you will get pimple or acne. And also there is green tea, which is like a boost of antioxidant, and then coconut water, like I said, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory properties. Everything is infused in this micellar water, then why go for something else? So it is very easy to use. You just need to have a cotton pad like this. This is a simple cotton pad that you get anywhere, और आपको सिर्फ इस पे spray करना है like this, okay? And when your pad is soaked, you just have to remove it. Like this is how your makeup is removed. And can you see, this is like single one stroke thing and my makeup is removed. So yeah, this is so easy, and so like this removes every bit of your makeup. I'm also going to show you the removal of eye makeup with the same cotton pad. I'm going to place it here. You have to let it sit for a few seconds, and then you just have to do a little bit of massage and then drag the cotton pad, and you will see there is all the makeup that has come out, like you can see. So today I have weared a waterproof mascara, I have weared a gel eyeliner, as you can see, and then too this is like a one stroke thing. So if you go in a little bit more detail thing, and everything is removed. So this is a brilliant makeup remover, and this is how I'm gonna remove all my makeup with the single pad. You don't have to use anything, it's very easy. So if you can see, so as you can see, I have removed whole of my makeup using this. Just be careful that it don't go into your eyes. And here we have a clean face. Guys, as you all can see, I have removed most of my makeup. Now I'm going to go in for the one last shower, and I'm just going to spray it all over my face like that. And I'm going to simply wipe it off with a single cotton pad, because then I'm going to wash off my face with the face wash, the coconut face wash. So you can see the makeup has come off like really nicely. Now that my makeup is all removed, I'm going to be using this Wow Coconut Hydrating Face Wash. This helps in clarity, softens and brightening up your skin. It has coconut water, antibacterial, like I said. Then it has aloe vera leaf extract, which is great for soothing and brightening up your skin. It has pro vitamin B5 and vitamin E. Now vitamins are really nice for your skin, and you really need them. It is also dermatologically tested, and it also does not have any parabens, sulfates, silicon and color. This is a 100 ml tube, and you get it for $2.99. All the products from Wow are cruelty free, 100% vegan and all of it. So I'm just going to use this so that I look a little better. And this is how the consistency of the face wash is. It's a mild white color sort of consistency, and I'm just going to use it. The smell of each and every product, like I said, is very like a coconut thing. Like if you open the product, you will feel there is a coconut in the room. Like literally the smell of each and every product is like that. Now I should stop talking and concentrate on washing off my face. So guys, now you all can see my face is actually really clean. The whole face is looking very clean. Even the dust particle, all the makeup which is left after the micellar water has really gone away with this face wash. I would highly recommend you all to go for this face wash, because I loved it, and the micellar water also. This face wash feels really soft and bright. I'm showing you the result, like literally doing it and showing you the result. So I loved this face wash. I feel my skin is really soft and brightens up. As you can see, there is no makeup left. You can really have a closer view, you can definitely see all my marks very clearly. And now I'm going to move ahead and use a toner which is again by the Coconut range. This is the Wow Skin Science Coconut Super Rich Facial Toner. This helps in refining your pores, hydrating and toning your skin. This also have coconut water, cucumber fruit extract, green tea and witch hazel extract. Now I have already told you that green tea and witch hazel extract has amazing amount of antioxidant and dust extracting properties, and again like I said, coconut water antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and cucumber fruit water is definitely to soothe out your skin. This is 100% alcohol free, guys, and this is again you get a bottle of 200 ml for 349 rupees, and there are no parabens, fillets or silicons. This is also cruelty free, 100% vegan, and also there is no gluten in their product. So how I like to use it is just spray this all over my face like that. Oh my god, the smell is amazing. I love the smell. And this is how I leave the toner for some time, because I like my toner to really soak inside. And this is how I just leave my toner, and then after 30 seconds I just wipe it off like that. So it really tightens up your pores. It really takes away all the dust if there is left any after the micellar water and the face wash, because this is like a double cleansing process. I would say it was like a triple cleansing process, and then you are really done with your toner. Your pores are well cleaned, your pores are tight, and your skin is also well hydrated. So this is how we have done it, and as you all can see, there is an instant brightness also. Now another way how you can use a toner is also very easy. You just need to take a cotton pad, put some toner on it like that, and you just need to wipe off your skin with this. I like to spray my toners. It really gives me a refreshing feel, but you can definitely do it this way. You can put it all over your face, and that's it. The toner job is done. It really helps in tightening up your pores, cleaning your pores. Also toners, what toners do is really make your skin like a it is a prep for your skin for the upcoming moisturizer, so that it really takes all the moisturizer in, because your pores are now really clean and they are ready to suck in the moisturizer. And now I'm going to use this. This is the Wow Coconut Perfecting Cream. This has vitamin E in it, this has coconut oil in it, this has hyaluronic acid in it. This is also dermatologically tested. There is no chemicals. Like I said, Wow Skin Science is really nice because they don't have any chemicals. They are gluten free, they are cruelty free, they are 100% vegan. So this is the last product that I'm going to be using, which is going to act as my moisturizer. Guys, it has amazing ingredients like vitamin E, coconut oil, hyaluronic acid. What it does, it really gives you your skin a boost of hydration. It is like an anti-blemishes cream. It even out your skin tone. It really helps your skin from the damage that is already there, and also protect your skin from the further damage. And also the thing which I really like about this is I don't have to dig my finger inside. You have this, you know, like do not touch type of technology, and you just have to press it, and the product is right here if you can see. So you just need to scoop out the product like this, and you are not putting your fingers to the whole product inside. You just have to, you know, like apply it. And one more thing which I really like about this cream is that even people with oily skin can use it, because I get a lot of questions like this, kya oily log use kar sakte hain? So definitely, because it absorbs like a magic, like literally it absorbs like a magic. And as you all can see, because I am a person with oily skin, but still I use it because I really feel this is hydrating my skin, but at the same time not making it oily and greasy. So this was the whole process which I actually demonstrated in front of you. I actually told you the good things, the good ingredients, and everything about this whole coconut range. I hope you people like this video, and if you did so, then please do subscribe to my channel. Please consider subscribing it, and I will meet you in my next video. Till then, this is me, Ankita, saying goodbye. Tada!